You want it as hot as you can kind of handle it. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That's perfect. Now we got rice paper rolls. You can buy these at any shops. They're pretty much everywhere. This, I'm just going to stick to the traditional Vietnamese way. But you can stick anything in these. Now here's the trick. I see a lot of people, when they do this, they put this in the water and they leave it until it's really soft. But you don't need to, because it just needs to be, it's still got this kind of firmness to it. And that's all you need. And then you put it on your paper, because as the water is on there, it keeps cooking anyway. I start off with the presentation. I want these prawns to be on the outside because they look better from there. I put it down on the end there. There's some mint, some lettuce, some sprouts. Another trick here is that if you try and jam it all in the middle here, it kind of squishes it through. I mean, it can be done, it's not that bad, but I found a little trick that you can do. Some coriander, basil, and you roll it up in the lettuce first, like that, like a little cigar shape, and then you put it on top here, and then it holds it all in. It gives this beautiful little rice paper roll. Rice noodles. I didn't put the rice noodles in the first one. And there we go, there's another one. This time it has noodles, and hence why it looks bigger. Like me, sometimes you might make a mistake and the whole thing goes ballistic. Then all you have to do is start again. Don't freak out. Don't freak out. These things are cheap. There's your rice paper roll. Instagram worthy. I'm going to make a dip with it. Now traditionally there's a dip that they make that is mainly peanut butter and hoisin sauce. I figured not everyone has hoisin sauce, so I wanted to make something that was kind of similar and it still tastes really nice with stuff that we have at home. Most people have peanut butter, unless you're allergic to peanuts, and then you're in trouble. If that's the case, you can use tahini, which is sesame seed paste. Right, normally we got crushed garlic, but we're going to have to crush our own, which is better. You add a bit of salt to it. Now adding salt to it creates extra granules, and it helps you create this beautiful garlic paste. If you got one of these bad boys, they're even better. Your bowl. We got some garlic, peanut butter, soy sauce. How much do you put in? I don't know, just guess. The way you think about this is you want to get a balance of different flavors. So you got your sour, you got your peanut butter. So we mix this up. So we got the lemon, or lime I should say. You can put some chilies in there. I love the chili sauce. A lot of the recipes use sugar to balance out the salt, the pungent, and the sour. But a way to sweeten things up is to not always rely on using sugar and salt. If you want to salten something up, a good way to just think about other things that you could use that would add additional flavour, like soy sauce as a seasoning agent, fish sauce as a seasoning agent, as a salty seasoning agent, instead of using just plain sea salt. And instead of just throwing sugar in there, I use sweet chili sauce, which is a sweetening agent which adds all these other dimensions of flavour to it, which makes it more interesting. You want popcorn? There you go, chicken. Alright, now that's real cooking. We're not at a studio, I don't have a team of people prepping everything up, and my children will come along and annoy you. That's the real deal. It might be a bit thick because I want to use this as a dipping sauce for my rice paper rolls. So I've just add some water. Same thing with water. I know lots of chefs who's completely against using water for things. They like to add stock, they have, or different other flavorings. So think about that. Instead of just using the base of salt, sugar, or water, use other flavors to layer different flavors. Yep. There's your pho and rice paper rolls and your dipping sauce. All right, well, thanks very much for coming, and hope to see you around. If you've got any questions, just write in the comments. Thanks, guys. See ya.